In this video, I will tell you how you can manage your filters and effects in your Snapchat app. So first, you need to open your Snapchat and uh, after opening your app, you can see the many filters are already in your Snapchat app. So you can just go on the filter you want to use and you can just click on this button, so the filter will be applied on your face or anywhere you want to apply. So if you want to use filters, you can use from there, and if you want any particular lens or effects or filters, you can just scroll to end and just go to explore. After that, you can search there any filter you want to uh, choose. For example, I need photo, so I just follow photo filter, and now I can click on that, and I can import any photo in my Snapchat. So this is how you can use Snapchat filters, and you can search Snapchat filters as per your need and as per you like. So this is how you can use Snapchat filters.